engine trouble. Eat my dust. Huh. Huh. How's that? Excellent. And that's a wrap. Come on, Jet, it's time to split. Sorry, but it's just too funny. Huh? That gear's unusual. Well, I never imagined anyone would enter the race with such a piece of junk. Thanks, though. It was good for a laugh. See ya, sure. Hey, wait a second, okay, Jet? While Eggman may not look smart, he is. He has an IQ of 300 after all. If he's interested in this technology, it must have value. Think about it. It may be more valuable than finding silver or gold. Come on, Jet. It's time to go back to the race. Oh man, looks like we have company.
Oh, fresh meat for the grinder.
Who's this ray of sunshine?
There's no sunshine, only darkness.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime hub.
Hello.
Defect detected. Preparing for immediate destruction. In 3, 2.
Oh, a defect.
Smart thinking. Let's get out of here. Forget the red mud. Let's go, Storm. You don't want it, then let's take it. Treasure is treasure. Eyes. Didn't think you'd spot it for a second, Shorty. Not sure, but maybe it's a prototype gear.
Imagine. Computer. Set coordinates for the Galactic Ranger home base.
Destination set. We will never make it. But hey, what are you gonna do?
Oh dear. Ah! I must get to Alero City. They are in danger. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, who's in danger? An army is coming. I must warn them. Hang on. Slow down. You've been in a crash. What do you say we get you back to my garage? I'll run a diagnostic and have you fixed up in no time. Thank you. I appreciate the assistance. It's no problem. So, what do I call you? I suppose my proper designation is Warbot Defect B54290. Maybe I'll just call you Clank. My name's Ratchet. Up and down. Yeah, there you go. You're a natural.